Hello beautiful people, welcome to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to create a high bun even if you have shorter, medium or thin hair. For that we'll need a section of a donut sponge. I'll show you at the end of the video how you can cut it so it looks natural and nice. But for our first step, if you have thin hair, make sure to use some dry shampoo. Then you want to just tease a little bit the roots of your top section like I'm showing. Now you want to select it again, smooth it out, select your bangs in the front like I'm showing if you want to leave them. If not, you can just simply brush everything back and then use two bobby pins to fix this section in place. Then you want to use a comb to make it voluminous. I like to use some volume hairspray instead of the volume spray. If you don't have one, this is basically a product that gives a little more shine and control, so make sure to use some shine spray instead of that. I like to make these sections so this way my top will look like more airy and voluminous. Without these wings, this is your preference, but I like it this way. Then you want to grab the rest of your hair, and now you want to use this piece of a donut sponge like I'm showing and use it like a scrunchie. Yes, you want to tie it 2 times around your ponytail like that and fix it using some bobby pins. Also, make sure to brush everything and make these wings. If you want your bun to look loose and chic at the same time, make sure to make these wings. I'm using 2 mirrors for that to see what I'm doing. Then you want to grab your ponytail, divide it into 2, twist it lightly. You can use some shampoo or volume hairspray like I'm showing here. Brush it a bit, twist it, and make sure to use some grips to hide all your donut sponge like that. You want to wrap it around your donut base and make sure to fix it well in place. Then grab your second section, twist it lightly like you did with your first section, but make sure to hide the rest of the donut using some grips and bobby pins to fix it. Use some hairspray to fix everything in place. You can arrange your bangs wherever you like. You can use your straightener or hair wand to restyle your bangs. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. If you do, don't forget about like, subscribe, tell me in comments down below what kind of hair tutorials you'd like to see more next on my Awesome Hairstyles channel. For a small section of our donut bun, you want to find the thread that is sewing this donut like that, and you want to cut it and take it off, and then you want to select the section that you need, and that's all. So simple, but this way your hairstyle will look more natural than using a big sponge bun, which is more trendy now. That's it for today, and I love you so much, and see you soon in my next video. Bye.